Hello kids! Today we are going to learn some exciting and easy words that start with the letter H. Let's say the words and spell them together. Ready? Let's go. Word 1. Hat. Say hat. H-A-T. Hat. A hat goes on your head. Word 2. Hen. Next is hen. H-E-N. Hen. A hen lays eggs. Word 3. House. Now comes house. H-O-U-S-E. House. We all live in a house. Word 4. Horse. Say horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. A horse can run very fast. Word 5. Hammer. Here is hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. A hammer is used to hit nails. Word 6. Heart. Look, it's a heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. A heart is a symbol of love. Word 7. Hand. Now say hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. You can wave with your hand. Word 8. Hill. Next word is hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. A hill is a small mountain. Word 9. Honey. Here comes honey. H-O-N-E-Y. Honey. Bees make sweet honey. Word 10. Helicopter. Last word is helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter. A helicopter flies in the sky with big blades. Great job, little learners. You've just learned 10 words that begin with the letter H and how to spell them. Keep practicing and come back soon for the letter I. Bye-bye.